In this video, I'll show you how to customize scaffolds in your knowledge form community. We'll notice when we open a note here, click the pencil icon and I'll open a new contribution, that we have a default set of scaffolds that are automatically embedded in your knowledge form note. So we can see the scaffold set title here. I'll click this drop-down menu and see the theory building scaffold set. And underneath that title are all the individual scaffold supports that we can click and use to help frame our writing in the note. Now I can go ahead and create my own scaffold set or edit an existing set by using the Scaffolds tool function, which can be located on the upper right of the view. I'm going to go in and create a new set right now. So I'll exit out of this note. I'll go up to the Scaffolds link, and what I'll see here is just two blank columns for now, and that is because we have our default set in the notes. Now we're going to create a brand new one. So it's those brand new scaffold sets that we'll create that we'll be able to see in this dialog box. So I'll go up here under Scaffold and click Add. Now I will create another set of scaffolds. I'll just say Scientific Investigation. And so now I can see this title of my scaffold set over here on the left, and I'll be able to add the individual supports on the right here. So I'm going to be creating scientific investigation scaffolds, so I can just add a couple that I want to see here. We need an experiment 2, our working hypothesis, and so on. So when I'm happy with the number of supports that I want in my new set, I simply can close this dialog box. Now what I have to do, this is the sort of trick here, what I have to do to make sure that I could access these new scaffolds is go over to the Edit View icon and click it, and you'll see that I have this is going to always happen by default. My theory building set is going to be selected here. But I'm going to scroll down now, and it's when I scroll down that I could see this new scaffold set that I just created. Now, if I want to have access to this new scaffold set in the notes that are available in this knowledge form community, I'll simply click on this checkbox here. So I'm able to have more than one scaffold set selected, so I'll just leave both of them. I want to have the theory building set and my scientific investigation set. If I just wanted to have one, I could just go up here and uncheck. Okay, but right now we'll leave 2 checked so we could see what it looks like to have 2 scaffold sets in a view. So I'll press OK. And now I'm going to go up here to create my note. And I can see here now my scientific investigation scaffold set is available to me in this note. Now it's easy to toggle back and forth between my 2 scaffold sets that I've selected. So I have my scientific investigation set and my theory building set. And I just have to toggle back and forth using this drop-down menu in the note to go back and forth through those different sets. Now if I wanted to go back and edit any of these sets that I have, okay, I'll just close this note. I'll go back to the Scaffolds tool. I can see the brand new set that I just created. It's only those sets, again, that you create yourself that you're able to edit. Those theory building sets are default and embedded in the knowledge form program, so you can't edit those. But you can edit the ones that you create, and that's really easy. I can just go and make any changes that I want just by clicking the edit button. Okay, I can do the same with the scaffold supports just by clicking the edit button here. If I want to delete a support altogether, I just check that box and press delete. This part is pretty intuitive. Okay. So that's how you customize your scaffolds in knowledge form.